you today?
Take the second
It's
left
Peaches
turn.
and my hubby Paul here. We are on the road. It's raining, but we are off to a home and cottage show actually. Yeah, so you guys, we'd love if you can come with us. Appreciate your company. Here. Yeah. So remember the camera's on now.
In 400 meters, make a slight left turn, then next right turn. And 64 thirst for you.
Yep. So now we are leaving town.
Continue to follow the road for 71 kilometers.
Yeah, good. Capture some more footage.
Take the next right turn.
Turn right at the stop sign.
Continue to follow the road for 39 kilometers.
Continue on Durham Street South.
So you don't have 500 houses with an average of 2 people per house. That's what I'm thinking. I guess you don't have 500 houses. What's up? What about that place?
Thank you, Kenneth. Paul Kenneth. Wow, this is a warm hand. Usually I don't feel your hand is warm. It's usually cold.
First at Ripley's Caribbean out Niagara Falls. It's like the guy that's standing up in there.
This is so cool. A suspended pipe
Well,
top.
there's a whole construction underneath. You're right. That's covered by Yeah. So these are. This is the unit. So this is the. Do you have square footage? Do you have something with the prices on these?
Yeah. Sorry, I got my the Expedition Brandon has the pricing information.
Do you have like a general price point for these?
So I'm out of the Coburg location.
Okay.
Let me just.
So 35 Wilson Avenue is where we are here in
Well,
Falville.
we're in Vancouver, so it doesn't matter.
Okay.
It's location. If we go to Peterborough, you're probably.
So we have a store in Peterborough as well.
Oh, you do?
Yes, on Clonsilla.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and a lot of these.
Oh, it shows you the
I'll
court
hold it there for you
there.
if you want to snap some photos.
Yeah. Okay,
So this
thank you.
particular one has the cork. A lot of them
This is
have
what you would
like a
call
rubber.
luxury vinyl?
Correct, luxury vinyl.
Okay.
Yeah.
100% waterproof.
It is waterproof top up. So if you were to, if you have hardwood or laminate, if you have a dog water bowl, the water's always around, you get that rippling effect. You won't get that with vinyl.
Oh, really?
However, it doesn't mean waterproof that if you have this in your basement and your basement floods,
Flood. Yeah.
right,
Yeah.
that cork backing is going to get wet.
Yeah,
so
it's
it's
gonna go
still,
underneath. Yeah.
yes. Now this is a glue down.
Okay.
It does not have a backing on it. It would glue right to your subfloor. Or we would typically put this on a good one side quarter-inch ply.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so many color options, right,
Yeah.
with everything.
Yeah.
Well, you don't have off the top any general pricing.
Brandon knows
I guess it would be on the site, right?
Yeah.
Would it be on the site?
it
No?
would be, or if you see something, you can reach out. Pricing offhand?
On the Nouveau Renaissance.
Oh, this
sorry,
this
the
one.
XL.
Oh, 579.
579
Yep.
per.
Linear
Per
foot.
square foot.
Square foot, okay. Square foot. Okay. Because it's a tile.
This particular one comes in a plank.
Oh, okay.
So yeah.
So this is so that means it would be this is more than a square foot. Right?
Yeah, they come.
Oh, absolutely,
60
it's more
inches,
than a
so
square
they're
foot.
about 5 feet.
This is absolutely more than a
So
square
then you would per piece would be whatever.
Yeah, it comes usually. This is 26 square feet per box, and it's ordered by the
Oh,
box.
yeah.
That's that cross-ply construction. So essentially, it's like compressed pieces of plywood, and they're laid
Yeah,
in this way to help minimize that expansion and contraction. And
And
then
then
you've
it's
got
like
the
a-
top veneer.
Yes.
Depending on the sample,
Oh,
sometimes the
you're
veneer is 2 mil, sometimes it's 4. It depends.
Yeah, so it's like all no hard.
This looks like the bamboo.
No, yeah.
Almost
I'm just looking
exactly.
at it, how they have done all of these.
Yep. So again, this is just a different core. Yep.
But
And you
it's
can
the
see
same
the veneer
idea.
on this is
Yeah.
a little bit thicker.
This is thicker, yeah.
Yeah.
This is
So I'd assume that's more expensive.
The Mill Creek. This is on
This is a lot
sale
thicker.
right now, I believe.
so-
Well, this
I
one.
like that. That would be just.
This
for
is
me.
still 3/4. This is 3/4 inch.
Yeah.
That's 2.5 mil wear layer. Your top veneer, and this one I think is 2.
Okay.
But
I
again,
like that one.
yeah, it's not often these days people are sanding and refinish.
No.
Unfortunately, we live in a world that's disposable, right?
Yeah.
Sadly.
We
That
are.
is true. Yeah.
And we may move before we do
Yeah.
get to that point.
Yep. These can just rest forward if you
Yeah.
want to flip through in there. So yeah, some gray tones.
Yeah. Okay.
Lots of options. Lots of color options.
Options.
Almost overwhelmingly too many
Yeah,
options.
yeah.
Yep. And then over here, some more vinyl. Those are luxury vinyls. This guy's a laminate.
Laminate.
Another laminate.
this one?
Laminate.
This is laminate. Yeah?
Laminate, yep. And this particular laminate product actually has an attached backing to it. Most of the laminates we would put down an underlay. This one particular one
You don't need.
Comes with the
it comes with
underlay.
it, yeah. And this is made in Canada.
Yeah. I noticed the sign
One
over
of
there
the yeah,
too.
there's just a couple that are.
Yeah.
This is made. That one over there is stocked and designed in Canada.
Yeah.
And then you get back. These are some
Then
more
you get
of
back
the
to
luxury
these
vinyl.
and yeah. Yep.
And then you've always got your ceramic or porcelain tile.
That's one is what? Is that porcelain or ceramic?
This is a porcelain. Yep. So we stock a number of tiles.
High and low and looped and
Yes. So that's a combination.
creates
of the
more
cut.
interest.
Yeah, and this is softer.
You can get some really nice
I'm thinking about
patterns like that.
aesthetics. He's thinking about function.
I'm thinking about like no, definitely like in the media playroom,
Yeah.
something like that,
Yeah.
right?
Still, I think we're big enough to manage something better.
No, well, we'll see. We'll see.
But I like this. I like the colors.
Yeah.
I like it.
You're very
Give
welcome.
us some nice options.
Oh, I must grab one of your pens.
Yeah, I have some.
Okay, this is my color.
Oh, then
This is my color.
They were getting hit with a large hail, and they'd come out and their roofs are all dented. Because they're dented from all the large ice falling on the roof. So they created this product over 30 years ago.
Over 30 years.
Hey guys, we are looking at a tiny house that I spotted at the Quinte Home and Cottage Show while I was there just yesterday, Saturday, April 5th.
Soft closed doors. And then they have drawers. And I would assume that these are soft closed. Oh, yeah. Form here. Would I be comfortable up here? I'm not so sure. I probably would be bumping my head all the time. But I guess that's what tiny homes are about. Small spaces. And then there's a window right here.
Oh, is that on demand?
Looks like it.
Yeah, it is too. Cool.
They didn't plug it in because it'll be dangerous for people.
Yeah, I don't know where the stove goes, but it is kind of breaking for it.
Take one out one of the cupboards.
But I'm looking in there. And they said it comes with everything. Comes with the heat pump and everything.
Oh, yeah, it does? Okay.
So everything, this system,
So, I'm sitting in a spa. This is a spa that you can rent. You think Paul's going to rent this spa for me? Sure. Check it out. Wow. It's pretty cool.
do you sell their coffee?
Yep, we sell everything in the store available for you, even the equipment to cut.
That's what I was going to ask, yeah.
So you should come into our store. It's like a
Where's
little. It's a.
Oh, yeah.
Also, we will give you the complimentary towels and robes. There's 2 of these spa robes, as well as those 8 spa towels. A little incentive to kind of have it quicker on the weekend, but again, no rush, no pressure. If anything, it just matches up.
Yeah.